How to deposit or withdraw on OKX crypto exchange. If you want to deposit or withdraw cryptocurrency on the OKX exchange, it's quite simple to do. So you can simply open up your OKX application, make sure you're in the exchange instead of wallet. Now to either deposit or withdraw, tap on the three dots icon from the top left of the screen. Then under manage assets, you'll find two options. So if you want to deposit it, which means you must have first verified your identity by filling in the documents. Then once you've basically verified your identity, then you'll be able to select a certain asset for which you'll be able to copy the wallet address to deposit crypto into that wallet. Similarly, if you want to withdraw it, then you can tap on withdraw, making sure you verified your identity, pasting the wallet address of that particular crypto wallet. Then you'll be able to send crypto to that addresses. And this is how you can deposit or withdraw on OKX or crypto exchange. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in the next video.